Hey everyone, welcome again. Guys, in this video, you will learn to set up an automation to connect StudioCart plugin of WordPress with Google Sheets application. So guys, StudioCart is a plugin of WordPress for educators and online tutors, and they can create checkout pages of their courses and their study material and sell it from StudioCart. Okay. So guys, suppose that you are a tutor and you have created a course on StudioCart and you're selling it. And guys, suppose that you're receiving hundreds of sales on daily basis. So you want to save the data of your students in a separate place, like in a spreadsheet in Google Sheets application. So guys, manually collecting the data from StudioCard and manually adding the data in the sheet is a very difficult task for you if you do it manually. So guys, here we have an automation which is going to solve this issue for you, and let me show you how this is going to work. So guys, this will be the flow of this automation. Here, as and when you get a sale or your course got purchased from StudioCart, the data of the buyer is going to be added in a row in your spreadsheet application automatically. So you need not to manually sort out the details and fill it here, and it will surely save a huge amount of your time and energy, and you can focus on more productive things of your business. Okay. So to set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills and programming knowledge very easily. So now let me show you how you can also set up this automation. So guys, to set up this automation, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here, you have to use this link pabbly.com/connect. So we have pasted this link in the description as well. And from here, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. So sign up right now and log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow of automation, and to do that, just click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So I am giving the name here as StudioCart to Google Sheets. Alright, so you can choose any name according to you, and after that click on create, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. Okay, so on this page guys, you will find the trigger and the action. So automations work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in this use case, the trigger would be selling off any course from your StudioCart application, and the action towards that trigger would be to save the data of the purchaser in a spreadsheet application, that is Google Sheets. Okay, so guys, first of all, you need to set up this trigger. So from this choose app field, search for StudioCart. This is it, select it, and the trigger event would be, see, we have two events for a purchase here. One is new order. So it will trigger when a new order is created with the payment get completed. Okay, so when someone places an order and also pays you the payment, then you have to select this new order. Or if you are selling your product or your course on cash on delivery, so you have to use this trigger event when your customers are selecting cash on delivery. So I am going to show you with this example, with this trigger event when students are purchasing our course on cash on delivery basis. Okay, select this. You can use new order also if you want, right? Then click on connect here, and from this window select add new connection option, and here it is asking for the WordPress site URL in the API key of your WordPress plugin. Okay, so to find these two things, you need to reach the dashboard of WordPress, and let's find these two things. Let me show you. This is my WordPress page guys, and here you can see I have the StudioCart plugin, and when you scroll down here, you will find this settings option. Click on settings, and under the settings page, when you scroll down here, you will find the API key. So just copy that key, okay, like this, and paste it here in your workflow in this field like this. Okay, and here it is asking for a WordPress site URL. So this is my WordPress site. You just have to copy this. Let me copy the whole URL first, and I'm going to paste it here. all right, but you have to paste it like this example up to this .com. Okay, so I am removing this extra things here. All right, so this is our site's URL. Okay, now click on save and you will be connected with WordPress like this. Okay, and now it is asking for the product. So it is asking for which product you want to make this connection and fetch the data of a new order. Okay, so you need to open your product from your WordPress only. Okay, from the dashboard of WordPress. So guys, here you can see we have this product section in under StudioCart. So I am clicking on products, and here we have these two products. So this is a course material I'm selling for NEET examination. This is the checkout page of this course material. Okay, and here when you click on this edit icon, the product will open up like this, and on the topmost URL section you can see after this post equals to, you will find a number 681 and action equals to added. So this number, this 681 is our product key or product number. So you have to copy this and you have to paste it here in the product field like this. Okay, so you can follow the instructions written here like this from where you can find the number. Okay, and just follow it. Now guys, we have entered the product ID. Now click on save and send test request here, and it will start showing waiting for the webhooks, waiting for the response. So this means now we have to perform a test submission. So the test submission would be equals to the trigger event. That means we need to create a demo order or a test order from our from our checkout page, and we are going to make this order on cash on delivery basis. Okay, so guys, this is my checkout page, and here I'm going to fill in the information of a test purchaser. So here let me select as this person is purchasing my product, Miss Ashi Shastri. This is the email address of this person. This is the WhatsApp number. This is the address and all the details. Okay, right, so I have filled in all the details. Right, so now guys, I'm going to click on this order now button, and you can see my order is getting placed here. So guys, you can see our order is placed here. It is showing thank you, we've received your order. Now let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this order. Okay, and here you can see in this response received section, we got the order captured here like this. The name of the customer is this, the email ID, the phone number, and all the things are here. And the course name is also here, and the payment details are also here. So this is how we can capture the data here in this response. This is the test data, and now I want to save the data of my customer in a spreadsheet here. And in this spreadsheet, I am saving all the things like the order ID, the customer name, the email, the phone number, the address, the product, and the amount. So to send this data, you have to use this action step, and from this action step, choose Google Sheets application, select it, and the action event would be add a new row. Okay, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Sheets. Okay, and from here you have to select that Google account by which you have created the sheet, and then you have to provide some additional access to Pabbly Connect. Just click on continue from here, and you will be connected with Google Sheets application. Okay, so we are now connected, and here it is asking for the name of your spreadsheet. So the name of my spreadsheet is this one, StudioCart order, and here I have one sheet named as cash on delivery. Okay, actually I have two sheets here. You can see one is for online payments and others for cash on delivery. So I am selecting this one. So from here select your spreadsheet's name first, which is StudioCart order. You will find the name here, select it, and then you have to select the sheet's name. This is my sheet, and now it is asking for the order ID, the customer name, the email, the phone, and all the things. So these fields are nothing but the headers of the columns that I have in my spreadsheet application. Okay, so to get these these columns and this row filled automatically, you need to map the values of these fields here. So to map the values, we are going to use this test data. And with the help of these labels we have received here, I'm going to map it here to get these things changed automatically with every new purchase. So to map the data here, just click here on this order ID field and you will find the Studio Cart step in the drop down. And when you click on it, you will get all the data related to your test purchase. And from here only you can map the ID, which is here. This is the product ID. Sorry, not the product ID. I want to map here the order ID, which is here. Okay, so map the order ID. Similarly, map the customer's name from here, the customer's email, the phone number, the address, the product, okay, and the amount. So this is how you can map all the things, right? So when you map the labels like this in real time after setting up this automation, whenever you receive a new sale from your Studio Cart, these labels are going to change and a new row will be added here in your spreadsheet. So I can show you by clicking on save and send test request here, we can check the connection with our spreadsheet. So right now I have three rows here, and let us check our connection. I'm clicking on save and send test request, and you will see a new row created in your spreadsheet. This is the response. Let me show you. And now you can see another row is added here automatically with the same details that we have mapped. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. So we are done setting up this automation. So here you can see I have connected Studio Cart in the trigger, fetch the test data. After that, I connected spreadsheet application and map the data. So guys, you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.